Last one of the day here, Will. You and I both saw this one. It's a fun one to close out the show. It is the Windows sound effects, but sung a cappella from our friends Maytree over on YouTube. These are the classic sounds of your childhood in a cappella. You can just play a little bit of this. Here we go. I think it's muted. On the YouTube player, it's muted.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah, you killed the transition there, Will. Yeah, go back to the front. Give us some volume. Oh, give me that one again. Give me that one again. XP. What a time. Vista. I don't even think, I do not remember the Vista one at all. That's USB good. In.
That's really good.
This USB out. Error. That's the most famous one, right? Mm-hmm. Hands down. Give us one more time on the outro, and then we're out.
Okay.
Line it up.